Hello guys, welcome to Making Solutions. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can drive traffic to your WhatsApp and make more sales. Make more sales on WhatsApp. This WhatsApp you've been using every day, you don't really know you can make more money from it. But stick around, watch this video to the very end. I'm going to show you how you can actually achieve that using paid Facebook ad traffic. There are a few things I need you to understand before we get down to business. Number one is that WhatsApp appears to be the most widely used social media platform in Nigeria. Shocking, right? It's high above Facebook, high above YouTube, high above Twitter. Why should you make sales on WhatsApp? Now, if you, for instance, you wanted to run ad and you don't have websites, then WhatsApp can be the ideal option for you. Number two is that driving traffic to your WhatsApp guarantees that you exchange numbers with your leads. Study shows that most of the people that come in contact with you, they might not buy from you immediately. When you drive traffic to your WhatsApp, you have the opportunity to do what? To exchange contacts with your leads. Now, exchanging these contacts, you can subsequently be doing what? Doing follow-up on those leads. That's number one. Number two is that constant uploading or updating your WhatsApp status. Those people you've exchanged numbers with, they can also see your WhatsApp status. So, WhatsApp status says a lot. You can actually make more sales on your WhatsApp status if you don't know. Yes. So a lot of the higher the number of people you have on your WhatsApp contact or your WhatsApp list, the higher your chances of selling to them. So you can actually make use of your WhatsApp status to do make more sales apart from the Facebook. So this is one of the reasons that you should do drive traffic to your WhatsApp. So you have your customers' contact on your WhatsApp, so you can do follow up on them. They can also view your status, and subsequently they can buy not just that particular product you want to sell to them, but subsequent products that you have, because you'll be constantly doing updating your WhatsApp status, and they in turn they'll be viewing your status. Now, apart from your WhatsApp status, there's what we call broadcast message or WhatsApp broadcast message. You can be sending broadcast messages to all those your contacts that you have. Out of 100 that you send to, at least you are guaranteed that at least 10 might buy from you. So, without running traffic to this your WhatsApp, you might not really get these contacts. So that's one of the good benefits. That's one of the benefits of driving traffic to your WhatsApp. So without much ado, let's get started. Please, before we continue, I'd like to ask, please, if this is your first time seeing me here, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification icon so you receive notifications each time I upload videos like this. And then if you are a returning subscriber, I really want to appreciate you. Thank you so much.
So before we proceed, first thing you need to know is that you need to link your WhatsApp number to your Facebook page. So in order for you to do this, I'm going to put you through how you can achieve this. So what you should do now is head over to your Facebook page. Just go over to your Facebook page, and I'm here on my Facebook page. Okay, so locate where you have settings. Click on this settings. Just wait for it to load. Now, where you will go to is this linked accounts. Just find linked account here. So if you need to connect your WhatsApp, this is where you click on this WhatsApp, and then scroll down. This is my WhatsApp number. You can always change your WhatsApp number if you want. You can disconnect it. So if you want your WhatsApp button to be your default, call to action button, you can actually set that here. So anybody that comes to your page can see that button and click, and when the person clicks, it takes the person directly to your WhatsApp and you start your conversation there. So you can enable this. So okay, I've shown you how to connect your WhatsApp number to your Facebook page. So having linked our WhatsApp number to our Facebook page, the next thing we want to do is to run ads that will drive traffic to that WhatsApp number that we added to our Facebook page. So to do this, you go to your ad manager account. I'm here right now on my own. So you just click on create. So we have many campaign objectives here. We have the awareness, we have the traffic, we have the engagement, we also have the leads, we have app promotion and sales. So what we really want to do right now is to run traffic campaign. So you select the traffic, just click on this traffic and then hit on continue. Okay, we are here. So the next thing we want to do is to give our campaign a name. You can say WhatsApp traffic campaign, or whichever name you want to. You can just give it a name, and there's nothing more to do on this campaign level. So the next thing you want to do is just click on next. Okay, just wait for it to load. So we are at the asset level now. So still here, you give it a name. I'll still say WhatsApp traffic asset. You can give it a different name. It mustn't be the same as I have here. So already by default it's selecting WhatsApp here. So just for confirmation, make sure that WhatsApp option is selected. So the next thing you want to do here is to select the page that you have that your WhatsApp number linked to. This is actually the page that the page that this ad will run on. So I'll just select the Networking Solutions. Okay. All right, so the next thing we want to do here is our budget. For a start, I always recommend $5 daily. Your start date, you can select your start date you want it to run. And for this end date, I don't usually set an end date for my ad. Reason being that I manually turn off my ad. The ones that are not doing well, can manually turn it off, or you can choose to set your own end date here. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is your audience. Which locations do you want these your ads to be displayed? Where do you want these your ads to be displayed? So for instance, so you can choose your target states, you can choose your target series, you can choose your target countries if you want. But in this case, I will be selecting just 3 states for this ad. So assuming I want my ad to be shown to people living in Abuja, I'll select Abuja and Port Harcourt. And I'll now say Lagos. So assuming I want my ad to be shown on these 3 states, on these 3 locations, then, and you notice you have a drop down button here. You can actually narrow down the radius. You don't really want it to be that large, you can reduce it. You can actually reduce this. Okay, so you don't really want it to expand further than it should, so you can narrow down your radius. So the next thing here is the age. I would want my ad to be shown to people who are from 20 years and above. Okay, so you see detailed targeting here. Detailed targeting. So I wouldn't really want to allow Facebook. What happens in Facebook, if you allow them, they can use your money the way they want. They do what they seem or what they think is best for you. But if you understand what you are doing, you should be able to tell Facebook, no, this is what I want. I don't want you to just place my ads to anybody anyhow, and you end up having many people coming into your WhatsApp DM, and most of them will start asking you silly questions. So you wouldn't want that. So this is where you can actually narrow down your audience, be specific about what you want, or the interest. You can narrow down based on interest, based on demographics, based on behaviors. So you wouldn't want many people or any kind of person to just come into your DM and start talking rubbish, start talking trash, asking you silly questions, because the moment you give Facebook your money, they will just be displaying their ads to many people. They just feel like, oh, these people should be a good fit. These people will, but you don't really need that. You need to really tell Facebook, this is what I want. So for you to do that, you can say, okay, assuming I'm selling a digital product, I know the people to target. I can say, okay, for instance, you can just say copywriting. And you notice that Facebook gives you suggestions here. Facebook will give you suggestion that is related to that. So you can say digital marketing or marketers. I say digital marketing Okay, I can say blog because I want to sell digital products. Okay, what else I can still say? I can see definitely I want my Facebook page admins to view their art, so you can say Facebook page admins. Okay. Then I'm going to give you a small trick. I'm going to give you a small trick here. This is how you can actually target rich people. So you might want to include luxury goods. Okay, expensive taste. Okay, so you can see travelers, frequent travelers. So these are the people that will have money to buy your particular product. So you can say the next thing we want to add is people that have engaged in an ad before, maybe Facebook ad, 30 days, 90 days. So you can say Facebook payment users. So let's select 30 days. So you can choose to target more interest, more demographics, more behaviors, and the rest. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna stop here. So you Facebook is saying advantage the detailed targeting. Don't ever select this because if you do this, Facebook, what it simply means is oh, okay, we might show this your ad to people who think, oh, they can, if we think these people would engage, we can show it to them. No, we know what we are doing. Don't show it. Don't show it to anybody. Just show to this particular set of people I have targeted. So thank you very much, sir, Ogamak. So the next thing we want to do is to save this audience. You just give it a name. You can give it a title. If, for instance, if you are selling a book, you can maybe whatever you want to say. You can say book audience. All right. So the next thing we want to do here is this is the last thing we're going to do here. These placements, and I'm going to explain this too. The first is advantage placements, saying recommended. Well, it's good, but then to me, I would say no. This simply means Facebook will just display your ads on every places they think or they feel will do better for you. But that will end up in you spending more than you should. You might end up wasting money. So what you really want to do is select these manual placements and do select where you want your ads to appear. Okay, so I am done. The next thing I want to do is I'll click on next. Okay, so we are at the last level, which is the ad itself. So I'll say what's traffic ad. Okay, now under this ad setup, you have the option of running your ad from existing posts. That means posts you've made before on Facebook. And I'm going to explain the difference between the two, creating a new ad and running from existing posts. If you are running from existing posts, what happens is that so that after this your ad had finished running, the engagements will still be there visibly for every other person to see. The engagement, like the likes, the comments, will still be there. But if you are running ads, if you are creating from scratch, when your ad, after you've turned it off or when it has finished running, the ad will be no more visible for anybody to see. Yes. So at times I prefer, running ads from existing posts. So other people can see the engagement, the likes, the comments. Sometimes comments has a way of giving you a boost, especially if it has to do with positive comments. So you can either decide to use existing post or create an ad. So let me click on existing post here. So you come down. My creative, I'm going to select a post I've made before. Okay, let's say for instance let's say for instance I want to promote this particular post. I'll select that post. Okay, you can actually change the post. You can create a new post, but I'm using existing post. This is the post here. Okay, so the next thing is I'll okay, so we are on track. We are on track. So the next thing, your ad is ready to run. So just go through all of them. This is the primary text I had on the post. So you can see the call to action button is WhatsApp. I wouldn't want to publish this because I'm not running any ad now, just using this video to teach you how you can drive traffic to your WhatsApp.
Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. I really want to believe that you found this video useful, and if you did, please kindly like the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification icon so you get notified each time I upload videos like this. And also don't forget to share this video, share it to as many people as you wish so you can get to a wider audience. There are many people that are looking for videos like this, so the moment you share it, they get to see it. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.